Good morning. It looks like it's going to be another beautiful day. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me. Mornings are my time to recharge and set the tone for the day ahead. A little bit of caffeine, some positive affirmations, and I'm ready to tackle anything that comes my way. Your bedding works hard to provide you with sweet dreams, and it deserves a little TLC. Let's strip the bed and get the laundry party started.
Hello. Well, we took Cooper out really fast this morning because it's already 90 degrees. That's what my car is reading. We kind of wanted to beat the heat a little bit. And now I have a little bit of running to do. So let's get this day going. So I am actually at my last place that I plan on going. So far I've been to HEB. There was some items over the weekend that I ran out of that I didn't realize I was getting low on. So I put in a little order and went there, picked that up. And then I went to the post office. I had a return. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what's going on, but I ordered some glasses from I Buy Direct and they did not fit. The earpiece went way too far back on my head and they hurt my head. They were pinching, and so I had to send those back. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I would love to have you join me over there. I am mostly in stories, so you can find me in stories on Instagram. Now I am at GNC. I need to run in here and grab some vitamins. Well, that was easy enough. My day is just going by so quickly. It's 11:30 and I was worried coming out that I would run into the lunch crowd, and it's not too bad right now. So I'm gonna head home and I'll see you there. In the front of our house, this little bush has died. I am trying to water it to get it back, but I don't think there's any getting it back. I think it's done. Breaks my heart. We looked it up online and we know what kind of bush this is. I don't know offhand. I can't remember. But anyway, we're thinking about getting another one because they grow tall and they stay thin. So I think it's I don't know. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen here for you. And then our tree out in the front, I'm going to water that too because it is having a hard time with this heat. We are on water restrictions, so I only just do a little bit every morning. I'm very careful. Before I left, I got the comforter in the dryer, and then I just put the sheets and the pillowcases in the washer. I did that, and of course Cooper was being so stinking cute, not letting me take the bedding off from the bed, and I didn't have my camera. I'm like, why do you do this when I don't have my camera, kid? Oh man. Wow, it is so hot out there. Like I can just feel, oh, it's just so hot. We just have not had any rain. We have not had any relief from this summer weather. And I guess Texas, I know a lot of other states too, but Texas is breaking records this year. And I am so very grateful for air conditioning. This week, and I think into next week, we're right back up into like 106 degrees plus. If we could get some rain, that would help tremendously, but I just sprayed over the tree a little bit. We do have a sprinkler system, but I'm thinking with the heat and the sun beating on these plants that they actually need rain. So I just took it and sprayed over the top of it just a little bit. And I'm just hoping that if I do that every, couple of days or every day, it'll just kind of perk them up a little bit. Do you want a piece of ice? Ice? There you go. Cooper absolutely loves ice. And almost every time we get ice out of the refrigerator, he comes running out for a piece of ice. He might want another one. I lit a fall candle the other day and I do not regret it. It may be 106 to 110 degrees outside, high humidity, sweating like crazy when I walk out the door, but when I walk in this house, it smells like fall, and that makes my heart happy. A couple weeks ago, we got a Robo-Rock. So that is who is vacuuming my floor today. I have been wanting a really super good robo vacuum cleaner for many years now. We've tried a couple different ones and they just weren't what I was looking for. Once we spotted this, actually Timothy did because he did some searching. It ended up being on sale through the Amazon Prime Day sales and we quick grabbed one and I have been so thankful for this thing. You can put an app on your phone. It has invisible walls, so if I wanted to just set it up, it won't go in a room if I specifically don't want it to go into a room. It also has a feature that you can program it to not go under beds or in closets if you want. It has a zone cleaning and that's what I'm doing right now, is running it on zone cleaning, so it will only just do my room, bathroom, and the closet, and then it comes back out and it empties the bin from the vacuum cleaner right into its little docking station.
Charging.
You can also set it up on a timer, so if you go somewhere you can just hit it for whatever time and it starts and does the vacuuming while you're gone, and then your home is all vacuumed by the time you get back. There's a lot of features to it. I'll have it linked below because seriously this thing has been a game changer for me. I have not had to vacuum my floor, and they do have one that it comes with a mop, but the most exciting part of us getting that Roborock is that UPS delivered it. We got a delivery today and it was delivered by UPS. Oh yeah, UPS delivered today for the first time ever to this new house. We finally have UPS delivering packages to our home. So happy about that. We were getting out of the car the one day and a UPS truck come down the road and it stopped by our house and I was like, they're delivering, hallelujah. So now we are getting UPS deliveries, FedEx deliveries, Amazon deliveries. Oh, it just feels good to actually have them bringing stuff to the house. A couple of things that we've been doing around here. One of them is our bathrooms, well, ours and Justin's bathrooms have little windows up above the shower area. Ours is fine in our shower area, but Justin's isn't. We have a 2-story home that sits next to us and they just sold it. So I told Jason, I was like, hey, can we get those blinds up in Justin's shower area? Because otherwise they're gonna be able to see down into Justin's restroom. And he was like, yes. Most definitely. Look at this, it's like a Christmas tree. Jason's in the middle of trimming the blinds and isn't that hysterical? Oh my goodness, that's all the ones that he has to cut off to fit the little window. So one of the projects that has been completed is the blinds are in Justin's little window above his shower, and now he has complete, total privacy for when the neighbors move in next door. Something else that we have done is Jason went through and added black handles throughout the kitchen. I love our white cabinets, and the handles that we had on them were nice. I mean, they were nice, but I wanted black handles, and I eventually want to change out all of the doorknobs on the pantry and bathroom doors and bedroom doors, and I want to change those all over to black as well. That's in the future. But for now, we have the handles. We ordered them off from Amazon, I believe. I'll have them linked below. And he also added them to all the drawers and the cabinet doors in the bathrooms too. So those are done. I absolutely love how the black handles look on the white cabinets. It is just, it's exactly what I was looking for. The ones that we had, we kept catching our shirts, or Tim would catch like the pockets of his shorts on the handles. These ones are the same style, but they come in a little bit more. They don't stick out as far. So we're not catching shirts and pants and things on them like we were the other ones. So that's a plus too. Cooper is into going bye-bye lately to the mailbox. I roll down the windows, we have the air conditioning on, and we go to the mailbox. And he absolutely loves it. It is a big highlight of his day. Are you ready to go, kiddo? He's like, come on, mama. The comforter is done, so now I have the sheets and pillowcases in the dryer, and in the washer I have my bathroom rugs. And then after these are done, I'll put the boys' bathroom rugs in. But I want to give you an update on our furniture situation. When we had purchased our furniture, they had told us that it would be 2 weeks and we would have our furniture. And we're like, oh, we can do 2 weeks. That's awesome. Perfect. So 2 weeks went by. We heard absolutely nothing from the company. Jason went online. They had an order number to put in to see where it's at. And it ends up being that it's not even going to arrive until, I think it was like the middle to the end of August this month. It ends up being like a month or over a month before we get our furniture, which made us sad. So sad, because I am in the study and we're waiting for the furniture so we can add furniture here. We can add furniture to the living room. We are getting furniture for the dining room, and okay, so we're close. We're so close. And then our closets in our bedroom, those are supposed to be coming sometime, I believe. They were at the end of August, I think, beginning of September, something like that. So hopefully in my September vlog, we will have furniture, we will have closets, and I can show you all the things that we've been planning and doing around here. But as of right now, everything is kind of slowed right down to nothing. We have boxes and stuff still sitting around because we're waiting for the closet to go in. We're waiting for the furniture, and then we can just start switching all the rooms and switching everything around. Finish unpacking. We haven't even unpacked our closet area, our bedroom, our master bedroom, none of it. And then after that, hopefully we can get all the pictures hung up, because I cannot wait to decorate for the fall. I just can't. And it's almost here, and I'm ready, and my house isn't ready. I am having another cup of coffee. I don't even think I got one full cup of coffee this morning because I was getting ready and running out the door. I'm really super tired. So I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, sit down before all my evening stuff starts up. This corn has been some of the best corn from Walmart. There's 4 of them that comes in this package. It is so sweet and so delicious. It has a lot of the silk on it, so I'm really having to pick off the silk, but oh, it's so worth it. It is so good. So we are having this as a side for dinner tonight. Tonight's dinner is mushroom Swiss burgers. I've got some, well actually Timothy is doing the cooking. So he's got burgers cooking here, and then mushrooms and onions with some seasonings going there. I have that corn boiling in the pan, and then in the air fryer I have a few potatoes. The grill pan, we got that with our stove. Let me ask Jason, he's on the phone. Jay?
Yeah.
Did we get that grill pan with our stove, right?
Yes, the griddle came with the stove.
With the stove, okay. So I can't tell him that it's on Amazon, right?
No.
Okay, and how far are you out from home?
10 minutes, 12 minutes, somewhere in there.
Okay, so we'll just kind of slow down the cooking a little bit and have it ready for him. Hey, everybody's on. You want to say hi?
Hello. I tell him I'm on hands-free. Yes, I am.
I have been keeping our buns in the refrigerator lately because I don't know why, but they're molding faster in the, oh, I also have our bread in here too, but they've been molding faster in the pantry. So I was like, well, then I'll just start keeping them in the refrigerator, and it works. They're staying fresher longer. This is what we've been watching lately. It is called Father Brown, and it is a British mystery show. Justin was actually telling us about Father Brown, and I was like, oh man, that sounds so good, because we love mysteries. And we looked it up, and Amazon wanted $1.99 per episode, and we were like, wow, that's a lot of money, because I mean they've been going for like, was it 15 episodes, right?
10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
And then we found out that we can get it through BritBox. You can have BritBox on its own, or you can go through Amazon for it. And it had a 7-day free trial, so we're like, that's perfect, we're gonna try it. Well, the first Father Brown goes since 1973 was the very first segment of it. We didn't do that one. We did the 2013 one, and it is so good. We are thoroughly enjoying it. And there's how many seasons of this one? 15? 10? But anyway, he's always eating these pear drops on the show, and Jason looked them up on Amazon and they're an actual candy. We ordered some and these things are so good. It's a hard candy and it has like a little bit of a sugar coating on the outside. They are so delicious. I will have them linked below, but they say pear drops. They don't really taste like a pear, but it's like a subtleness. I don't know, it's really good. If you haven't tried them, you definitely should. I'll have them linked below. Now that dinner's over, we're gonna get that kitchen cleaned up. I'm gonna get my pajamas on. We're gonna settle in for the night and watch some more Father Brown. Do you love vlogs? Here are 2 more for you to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.